Good morning. Today we're going to do brake pads on an XL 1200 rear pads. And with that, if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. So let's get started. The first thing we do is we're going to remove this plug. This is a cap that protects the Allen head pin from corrosion. Just be careful with it. That's what that looks like. With a 5mm Allen head, I put that in there. I bought this at Harbor Freight. It has the swivel on the end of the Allen head, so you can get it at different angles. Very handy to have. Now this is the pin we want to remove that holds the pads in place. With a pair of pliers. There we go. Push this in a little bit. It takes the spring tension off of the pin. Now what I want to do is pull the pin out. And there's our pin. We will clean this up when we reinstall. Alright, now to remove the pads. The pin is out. The tension is off the pad. Now all I do is, that's one pad, rotate the wheel, two pads. Now what I will do is clean and service these pads and we will reinstall. Alright, I got the pin. I cleaned it a little bit. A little wire brush. Scotch-Brite pad. Just want to knock any corrosion off there, and then we'll put some anti-seize on here. A little steel wool. This is 4-0. This is as smooth as it's going to get. Anti-seize. Lift it up a little bit. Not much. The stuff is a mess. Take the wire brush, just get a little on the surface. Now we'll put this aside. You can see these pads, they were squeaking. You can see this, it's sad. I got 80 grit sanding block. I'm gonna try to break that glaze. I knocked the edge off the fronts of them right here and here. If that don't work, I'll buy new pads, but you can see how good these pads are. The bike needs to be driven. Now you see the edge right here. Just knock it down a little bit. Take my wire brush. Should have no problem. Like I said, you go to Harley, you buy these, they're probably $35. You go online, you can buy cheap ones for $10, but they create a lot of dust. So this is the stock ones. I'm just going to service them just because the bike only has a few thousand miles on it. I take my pin, I slide that back in the hole. All right, I got the pin in the hole. I take my first pad, slide it in there, and there's a notch. You'll feel it, and it's spring loaded. So now, when you got it right, you'll feel, there you go. Push that pad up. There we go. He'll fight you sometimes. All right, we got it to the middle of this rotor. Okay, so what you want to do, we got the first pad in, is push in. You'll see this caliper go in and out, right on these pins. Push in as far as you can go. Okay, we pushed the caliper all the way in. Now I'm going to take the other pad, and we'll do the same thing. You'll get that slot, and you'll see, you'll feel it spring loaded. Now we got to push that pin. There we go. It's that easy. All right, I want to hit the brake pedal twice. Beautiful thing. Now that's how easy rear disc brakes are on a Sportster. Thread it back in. Make sure you got it nice and square. And don't get crazy, snug it up. Now I got this little magnet. As like I said, the shock's in the way. And what I do is now I'll put this is what protects from corrosion. All right. Do not cross thread. Take your time. And now we just did rear brakes. If you have any questions, just ask. Please subscribe and thumbs up. Ride safe and have a great day.